Hi, this is Matt with Inmate Search Info. Today we're going to be looking at how to find Montana inmates. The Montana Department of Corrections offers an inmate search based on either a Montana Department of Corrections ID number, which if known, you can enter to be taken directly to the person you're interested in, or by a name. Montana does allow you to search based on aliases, so if you know someone by a name other than their legal name, you should still be able to find them as long as the system knows that they've used that name in the past. We'll see that when we do our search here for Michael Smith, which seems to be a very popular alias that people use. Let's take a look. So Montana gives you this list of all the results. They do indicate when the Michael Smith is an alias. Otherwise, they include middle names and things like that. And they do give you the year of birth, so if you know roughly the age of the person you're looking for, you can kind of narrow it down right away. Montana doesn't have a lot of inmates. I believe it's something like, I'm just checking our page here, about 6,000. So there aren't a lot, so you aren't likely to find a ton of different results, even for common names like we see in some of the bigger inmate population states. So you're able to see the status of the person. Probation, secure means that they're actually imprisoned, and then you have some other conditional release, which would be a similar kind of idea as well. So let's take a look at this not actual Michael Smith alias. So this person's name, Buddy Philip Smith, and you do get a photo of the person. You don't get historical photos if they were in prison for a while, but I presume this is a recent photo of this person. Physical description, and you do get some information based on when they were released in the case of those who are under probation. These are your AKAs, your aliases. So yeah, we've got Kevin Michael Smith, there's a Michael Smith in here, and then you have further physical descriptions if that's helpful for you as well. So here we go. Here's our sentencing information, different crimes committed, and also some docket numbers, so if you wanted to do some more research on that, you can do so. Now, in the case of someone who is under probation, they don't give you information directly on where the person currently is. However, based on the probation address, you'll know that if this is the place where this person is reporting to under the terms of their probation, you can assume that they are somewhere in that area. That's where they're residing. So that may be something helpful for you. If we click on someone who is secure, someone who is still imprisoned, we again have a photo here, and then we have the information on the facility. So we have the address of the facility and a phone number. They don't give you a direct link to a site, if there is a site for that correctional facility, so you're not able to get visitation information or contact numbers if you're able to call the inmate directly. But we do have links for that kind of thing on our page, and the link is below. We also have links to this page, so you can find it very easily, as well as other links to other types of searches related to Montana and some other helpful hints and step-by-step instruction. If that's of interest to you, please click our link below. Thanks very much for watching.